Every perfect garment begins with one essential tool called the basic block or sloper pattern.
It serves as the foundation from which designers develop countless professional clothing styles with accuracy.
Instead of starting from scratch, designers simply modify blocks into fresh, fashionable garment designs daily. The block controls garment fit, ensuring every new pattern keeps correct body proportions throughout construction. Basic blocks contain only essential fitting information without decorative details or fashionable styling elements included. Professional pattern making relies upon 5 essential blocks, forming every clothing collection successfully produced today.
The bodice block forms shirts, jackets, dresses, and many upper body garment patterns with precision.
The skirt block creates numerous skirt designs while preserving balanced fit and comfortable movement consistently. Trouser blocks become jeans, formal pants, and countless legwear styles through creative modifications by designers.
Sleeve blocks allow endless sleeve variations while maintaining perfect arm movement and comfortable fitting always. Collar blocks help designers quickly create different neckline styles for fashionable professional garments every season.
Standard blocks follow industry size charts, supporting efficient mass garment manufacturing across global fashion markets.
Bespoke blocks use personal body measurements, delivering exceptional comfort, precision, and individual fit for clients. Wearing ease adds essential space, allowing breathing, sitting, walking, and comfortable daily body movement naturally everywhere.
Body lines identify important measurement positions, ensuring accurate drafting, fitting, and consistent garment construction every time.
Center front, center back, and fold lines maintain garment symmetry during accurate fabric cutting operations. Small notches guide sewing operators, helping every garment panel align perfectly during assembly and stitching. Blocks begin every design, while production patterns manufacture approved garments efficiently in multiple commercial sizes.
Modern CAD software creates accurate digital blocks, rapidly improving productivity and reducing costly development errors significantly.
Traditional draping shapes fabric directly on forms, producing remarkably accurate luxury garment patterns for fashion excellence.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.